on how you could fix the your account cannot be created issue on Apple ID or Apple account. Generally, when you try to create a new Apple account, you are faced with this issue, and you probably have tried to enter the needed information, and you're wondering what could be wrong. So I'm going to show you how to fix this. So let me try to recreate the issue just so you understand what I mean. So this is what you get when you try to create an Apple ID account. So you get this, and then you're unable to create your Apple ID account. So how do you fix this? One of the things I realized was that you could change the email extension. So it seems Apple does not allow registration of accounts with Gmail email extensions, Outlook email extensions, and co. So you could use a different email extension just for this purpose. So if you have a personal website, you could create an email extension with your domain name, and you should be able to get around that. So let me just add my website's email extension, and let's see how that works. So we have all of that information. Let us now try to have this capture enter, and then go. Let us see if it will work. So that is it. It works if you do this. So just changing the email extension is the trick for me. Now, in some cases, some individuals have realized that simply changing from verify with text to verify with phone number has worked. And in some cases, some have found that simply changing from verify with phone number back to verify with text works. Another thing some also notice is probably they have this issue. They might have to reach out to Apple in order to have the issue rectified. So if this one doesn't work, try to reach out to Apple, and they might be able to help you, rectify this issue from their end. I think that's it. Let me know if you appreciate this video, if it worked for you. Have a great day. Bye.